Hi guys, Sagar here. Hope you understood the previous one. This is the sixth question of exercise 11.4. So we have to simplify secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. So let's write secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. So we have to simplify this thing. So first, initially, let's multiply the secant A into the first term. I'll multiply this secant A into the first term. So this would be secant A minus secant A into sin A into secant A plus tan A. We know that secant A is the reciprocal of cos theta. So I would replace this secant A with 1 minus cos A. So this would be 1 minus cos A, and we have this with sin A, and this is secant A plus tan A. We know that sin A by cos A equal to tan A, so the secant A would remain same. This sin A by cos A is equal to tan A into secant A plus tan A, and we have A plus B into A minus B here. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So we have secant square A minus tan square A, and by properties, secant square A minus tan square A equal to 1. That's it. They told us to simplify the given thing, and after simplification, we got the answer as 1. So initially, we multiplied the secant A into the first term, which is 1 minus sin A, and the secant A is the reciprocal of cos, so I replace the secant A with 1 by cos A. Sin A by cos A equal to tan A, and finally we got A plus B into A minus B, which is secant square A minus tan square A, and by property secant square A minus tan square A equal to 1. That's it. Hope you understood the question. Subscribe for more such solutions. Thank you.